Please, Stu, that was for you, buddy. So, I just did a skid for Stu as a send-off. Oh God, yep, that was, oh, don't tell me, I've just broken it in my street. Oh, come on, grab a gear, please. Just get me up the hill. We're moving again. All right, slow drive up. Oh no, jeepers. Oh, there's not many gears in that diff left. Oh well, had to send it for Stu. Come on, get me up the hill. I'm nearly there. My house is literally 70 meters away. We're in second gear. Will Mackie make it up the hill to his driveway? Tune in a minute to see if he can get back on the road. Okay, 3 houses away. We got this. We got this. Oh, shit balls. Oh, we made it. I'm here. And the missus is home. Shit. Oh, yeah, that seems. Oh, click, click, click. Come on, get in the driveway, baby. Oh, shit. Alright, made it home. Thank God. Shit balls. I think it's just the center's smashed, but I've got another diff, so we'll change the whole thing over, I think. Alright, and just like that, I've had a costume change. Scotty's rocked up with a man purse of bloody cordials. I've got to get this nugget moved. Thank God I've got a spare diff. This is all for Stu, giving him a send-off skid. And it was worth it. So let's get into the changing this differential. Shut up, Scott.
At this quiet house, what are you talking about? Oh, that one. Yeah, I think it's fine. I actually think it's broken. That's just down out and broken, yes. Did he? You're gonna have one problem.
No, we'll push that out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's call it 3:30 because
Currently 20 past 3. Cars on jack stands. See how long it takes us to get driving again. Doing another shed skid. Jason's here.
to watch the rest of it. Go with it.
All right, Jason, Scotty, doing all the work as normal.
Why is it rusted?
Because it's old.
Oh, that's mint. Not even.
I mean, she's a bit.
All 25 splines. Look at that.
Stop it.
I reckon it's like 6.
Yes.
This one's alright.
This one's good. We're good.
Well, that's warm too.
And we'll look at this absolute diff that we're replacing it with. Like, she's.
I reckon the one that was in this probably.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. So we're going to pull that off and put that one on. Are we hoping that the seal on this is going to be better? Yeah, you can use that.
No, we're hoping that this seal is better than that one because that does not look good.
No.
You know, that plate looks.
That's pretty buckled.
Yeah, that bearing looks pretty rusted too.
They should have machined that down further and made it even smaller. Would have been good.
Yeah, cool story.
Clip!
Ow!
Okay, yeah, one shot. One shot.
One bang.
And my finger. It was good.
You know what I mean? It's going to go.
Yeah.
It's going to come this way, and then it's going to go out where you are that way.
Yeah.
Come to me.
It doesn't have to go to you.
Oh.
Go out.
Yeah, just come this way.
Oh, sorry. All right. Yeah, we can do that.
Don't be sorry.
Can you? Oh yeah, just do that.
You alright?
You get it? You got it? You get it? Yeah, boy.
Too busy trying to take video.
Okay, we've inspected the one I've got, and we think the seals are fine. There's nothing indicating that these seals are going to leak.
It's in perfect condition.
Jason's going to whip this out.
I know what I've got.
I know what it's worth.
I know what I've got.
And for people wondering, there was oil in it. We didn't top it up with a bucket of oil. Just in case. Justin, do you want a big hammer or... Oh
Yeah,
my God. Yeah, right.
No hammer required.
Oh, look at that brand new second
That
hand.
one's actually not too bad. That's actually
That looks
new.
new, yeah.
That's new.
It's a new rear bearing. Shame the backing plates are fucked.
If you turn that off and just shine your light in there for me.
Oh, can't you see?
No, not really.
Did we find that?
5 9s.
Oh, yeah, this thing,
So
This thing's going to howl.
We'll do a 1/160 foot.
I'm assuming that's a 71 tooth. 3 5s.
Is it?
Yep.
350.
5 to 1. Yep.
350s.
Whoa.
350s, mate. What was that one? The broken one?
I don't know. We haven't opened up the cover plate, mate.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
350s?
Yeah. That'll.
Mate, that's like...
That's like almost three 9s.
You know what that'll do? It'll break exactly like the other one did.
Are you still here? Put the cover on. Clean it up and put the cover on. Jesus.
Have you got a scraper? While you're doing nothing?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm on block. You alright? Oh, look at that. It's in the car. That was quick.
Jeez, you guys actually pretend to work and stuff happens.
See, if you leave us alone, James, this will be done by now.
Oh, I'll see you later. I won't go. Call me when it's done.
Surgery.
We've got another Jason. We've got the trio back together.
We're doing some
What?
surgery.
Now, what? Explain to the people at home watching
You shouldn't
what
really-
dodginess.
You shouldn't film this.
This is not happening. We're not doing this.
Okay, I'm not recording. Just
You are recording.
We're-
we
we're-
have a really quality bearing that Mackie had in his car.
look. That spins awesome.
Awesome. doesn't it?
Awesome. Yep.
Sounds empty.
Sounds like it's spinning.
So we're just going to help this out a little bit and we're not going to video it.
Okay, cool. I'll put the camera away.
Thank you. You didn't put the camera away.
It's okay. I'm looking at Baloo. See, Baloo's in the frame.
Is that strong enough, that pig? I feel
we'll
like it's.
see.
I feel like it's a
We'll
bit.
soon see.
Once they pop that,
Once,
you're all right.
once the end pops off, the pig.
Yeah, if that pops off, we're fucked.
Okay, so what we didn't film is nothing.
Wow, it's louder with the seal off.
So apparently there's meant to be greasy stuff in there.
Well, go and get your greasy stuff, mate.
Okay, I got grease. Oh yeah, true. How we going? Look at that.
This is not happening.
Brand new, second hand, gonna get me on holidays with the family. Gary wants a freaking chocolate.
I want no part of the holidays with the family thing when it's broken down on the side of the road.
Mate, you're the one that I'm gonna be calling to bring
Yeah.
the trailer to tow me caravan.
I don't know, mate. I don't have a
Because
mate.
you pop the seal and you're feeling the good.
Sorry, I don't have a mate that loans out trailers.
I'll tell you what. Got to make the lens out free dental plans.
It's got some friction.
What's going on?
It's fixed, mate.
That sounds broken now. At least it was moving before. You could hear it moving. Now it
That'd
doesn't.
be good. I reckon that'd be alright. It's just.
It's better than it was.
Alright.
It's got life back in it now.
Cool. Yeah. Next job.
Yeah.
Is the seals in the actual housing.
Yeah. Yeah, cool story, bro.
On your horse.
And go.
And then I'll be able to. And.
We're doing both axles, or is the other one good?
No, they're both.
Nah, you just.
Stop swearing. That's another can off the
they're
limit.
both.
New axle
Better with a
seals.
fucking decent hammer. You have a fucking better decent hammer than a freaking toy like this.
Righto.
Kmart toy kit.
Righto. Have you got a Lego one that Dad can borrow? It's not better than your one. Sorry.
This guy.
One from the haberdasher.
Well, look, I got it on, but it doesn't turn.
Really?
I don't think it's on far enough.
Never would imagine. Oh, why wouldn't it turn?
You should have hit it
The fact
hard.
that I didn't use the rubber mallet first, he obviously picked up and was like, fuck, this one come on.
It's like that might be a bit too tight.
What are you doing with it?
New seals. Look at this old girl. She's not going to even
Handbrake
know
was
herself.
adjusted to what it was already going to be.
Fucking whack a tool.
Yeah, it's the same drums and everything. I found it like 2 clicks forward and now it's fucking.
Look at this. Jace even bought sealed knocker-inner doovers. Looks like he's made that. Yep, that'll be good for it. It's going to take the seal punch for a walk.
This guy. One job. One job.
Yeah, I broke the diff. You guys are showing me how to fix it. Oh, look at this. This is what happens, ladies and gentlemen. You actually have right tools.
It's going to hurt now.
I would...
Probably.
No.
I know.
Is that it? I would have used a 40mm bloody
Yeah, you would have.
socket.
It's got a lid on the end of the drum.
Clear! Oh, single beggar! I think your handbrake's way too tight on that one.
I didn't touch that one.
No, she's off.
I just touched it.
I can't even move it with my foot.
At least you know your spider gears work.
I didn't touch the handbrake. I didn't even adjust it. I just literally. You put the drum on.
Yeah, no, I said it was tight. Wow. So, well, this one's good, so there's a bonus.
The only thing I did that I noticed that it was running in drive and I put my foot on the brake and it doesn't do nothing.
No,
Did you see that?
I didn't notice that, no.
That's how you test it, right?
Oh, the handbrake. Yeah, you can really push.
That's me really pushing.
Yeah.
That's a drive.
Yeah.
That ain't bled.
No, it's not bad.
Oh, hang on. Is that still in park? Or are you in park or drive? That's neutral. That's in drive. That's neutral. Ah, okay. Is it easy if I just take that wheel off again?
Oh no.
The wheels on pissed or the
Well,
wheel was pissed.
Do they locate?
Yeah.
Are they located?
Well, they're self.
Oh man, the wheel's fucking pissed.
Much like me. Okay, we are 3 hours and 25 minutes down. Diff is in. We've just done a test as you've seen. And our handbrake is groping way too tight on the left side. And Jason number 2 is under there adjusting. Trying. And Scott's sitting there doing nothing as always. Yep. And
Jason number 1 got us new axle seals.
yes, thank you very much, Jason. It's been quite quick but slow. Thank you to the boys as always. Love you guys.
Moved a little bit.
Yeah, it is. Oh God, that's wobbly as.
Looks a bit fucking hanging.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna redo it.
Stop the left side.
This guy. That's a petrol tank.
It's straight as it's the wheel.
Yeah, me wheel's a little wonky donkey.
So's the other one. Probably the weight of the caravan because they're only mild steel aluminium wheels. They're very light, so the alloy, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You should just leave them on.
I do want to get white walls. Okay, so I was we had the centre line on, and and I could see it was wonky donkey. And just for shits and giggles, I put a stocky on just to eliminate that the axle wasn't bent. Can't thank these boys enough. They're all amazing. Jason's moving his car for the girls. No, he's trying to chat them up. Classic Jace. All right, we'll get this thing off the jack stands. And that was unexpected video, so you're welcome. Thanks to Jace. He loves diff fluid. Just loves smashed diff. So it's funny, every time I smashed a diff in the XY, he was nowhere to be seen.
Because I was fixing my own diff. That's what
Man, buddy, I'm up to like 4:30 with Swarty trying to fix me diff before comps, and
I think I was asleep because my diff hadn't broken that day.
yeah, no. Classic Jace. All right, thanks for watching. We'll get this nugget off the thing. I should probably do another skid and see if it doesn't break. Be rude not to. What a bitch.
No bitch.
Gonna test it. Look at the bloody lift kit. Leaks haven't settled yet.
Yeah, I'll settle down there. You better settle down.
Ooh,
You're off the carpet.
quality single finger. You're a child and I love it. That didn't go.
You could hear it trying to go for second or.
Oh, it
or
hit
spin
second
out of
and
the
I
wheel.
shit myself.
Yeah,
I
I
hit
did.
second, I'm like,
So you're happy you've got a single pegger?
I'm so happy I got a single finger. You smoke alarms going off. Have a look at it. Bloody treat yourselves.
In the house.
Very happy about that. Yeah, the kids just yelled at me again.
That was good as.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. One little test kit. Missus not happy. Kids yelling at me.
Friends are wrapped.
It's only a single pegger though.
Single pegger. One for fun, as they say. One for fun.
Probably be broken again right now.
Yeah, I know. LSE, another broken one. Spoken to Swartzy at Hotshot Diffs already, and probably have to look at doing like a shortened 28s blind Borgie with an LSD, which I do have. You haven't seen that video yet, but I did drop an LSD everywhere, and I think the kids are about to yell at me again. Thanks for watching. The skid was for Stu, so rest in peace, mate. Rest in peace, mate. That was for you. Well worth it. Thanks to all the boys, all the Jasons, all the Scotts, everyone who helped. You guys are legends. See you later.
So I put the car back on that, sorry.
Oh, what did you find?
No, you can't see anything in it. You
jingles.
just spin it and you go ding, 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 ding.
Did you find the gears?
Yeah, it's a 350, same.
Ah, so you're happy with it.
I'm okay now. I can sleep peacefully tonight.
Awesome, because it was really starting to shit you, wasn't it?
Don't throw the diff out, it's got good gears in it.
Okay, cool. Now, while everyone's excited to rip out diffs, let's pull the one out of X-ray and I've got a spare then.
No.
Okay, cool. Good chat.
I'm going home in about 35 seconds.
Okay, awesome.